Hey guys, so a few years ago, if you guys remembered, I installed these side mirror lights on my Benz. Yep, those were installed on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300. And they've been amazing. They shine really bright, they look really cool. However, my sponsors over at DMP Car Design just sent me these. So these are brand new side mirror lights with a really unique design of wings. I've only seen it in pictures, I haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm pretty excited to put these on the car. And if you want more information on these lights or my other lights or other options for lights, use the links in the description below. For these specific lights, they come in a pair. There's a right and a left. They also come with the resistor that needs to be soldered in. That way the lights don't flicker. And the install for these are exactly the same as my previous install on the previous lights. So instead of redoing the install on these, I'm just gonna cut to clips of my old YouTube video of the install for the other lights, and then we'll take a look at these and how they look in the dark. So here's the light, and I'm gonna have to cut into this blue wire here, and I'm gonna be installing this. This is the resistor. One side's gonna go on the blue wire, and the other side's gonna go on the other side of the blue wire. I could tape this up and be done, but I want it to be a really nice install. So what I'm gonna do is get a solder iron, and I'm gonna solder the joints, and I'm gonna use some shrink tube to cover the joints. So first step is to cut the blue wire and strip off the ends. Next, I'm going to take the resistor and just measure out how much I need to trim back on the wires coming out of the resistor. Now I'm going to take my shrink tube and cut it down to size. And then I'm going to slide them over each end of the blue wire. Now I'm going to take the resistor and then wrap one end of the blue wire to one end of the resistor, and the same for the other side. And once that's done, I'm going to solder the joints. And then I'm going to slide the shrink tube over the joints, heat it up, and shrink it down. So that's it. Now I can go ahead and install this on the car. Because I'm working with electrical components, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the battery. On the driver's side of the car, I already removed my cover, which is carbon fiber, but here's how to remove the stock cover. Now I'm going to disconnect this connection here, which runs to the light that shines through the bottom of the side mirror. I'm just going to grab some needle nose pliers, pinch on the sides, and pull it right off. So if I follow the wires down, right here is the light. It's held on by an outer clip here and an inner clip right there. So I'm going to have to pry up on it to release it from the housing. And that's it. The old light is off. To install the new light, since this is the driver's side, I need the one with the L for left, and I have to install it with the L sticker pointing inwards. I'm going to start by installing the light under the inside clip first, and then followed by pushing it down so it's under the outside clip. This was tough to do, but after a while of working with it, I was able to get it installed nice and secured. Now to check my work, the lens should be perfectly aligned on the bottom. Now I just have to reinstall the connection and reinstall the mirror cover. So I just finished the install on the Benz. Check this out. Oh wow, that is cool. Man, this actually looks better in person. Let me check out the other side. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, look at that. Look how detailed it is. And it's super bright. Actually, you know what? I think my wife is gonna like this a lot. It's super unique. Yeah, I think that's really cool. That's definitely unique. Wow. Well, there you have it. I think it looks super cool and they make the car look very unique, especially at night. And again, I want to thank DMP Car Design for sending me those lights. And if you want more information on them, use the links in the description below. And I'll see you next time.